Hello, Janet here from Her Kitchen in Worcestershire, England, and tonight I am cooking a very quick tea. This is a favourite recipe of mine when I go camping or caravanning, and it takes about 15 minutes, 5 minutes preparation, 10 minutes cooking. The water is just about coming up to the boil for the pasta, and I'm going to fry some pancetta. Stay with me. Pancetta is a very useful thing for quick meals. While the pancetta is frying off, I'm just going to put the pasta in, 100 grams per person for 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Timer on. You'll notice that I didn't put any oil in the pan. The fat from the pancetta supplies that. As soon as it's all cooked through, I'm going to add some chopped bell peppers. I've put 2 of them in there, mouth-sized pieces, and a red onion, in this case half a red onion. Now the peppers and the onion have been cooking for about 4 minutes, and I'm just going to add some sliced chestnut mushrooms. I prefer these to the little white button ones. They hold their shape so you can see them rather than losing them in the mixture. Stir them around. Now the mixture has been cooking nicely. If you had a courgette, that would go in here really well, and probably you could throw in some beans. I don't have those at the moment. The pasta's just coming up to time, so I'm going to take those off and drain them. Now, just before I put that in the plate, I'm going to add a bit of salt to the pasta, not to the bean and pancetta mix, because that's already got salt in the pancetta. And I'm going to add about 60 grams of soft cheese with garlic and herbs, which I find adds a certain something to this dish, and it's just quick and easy to do. Stir it around. And then I'm going to add some pepper. And pepper to the fried mix as well. Ready to serve up. 2 plates. Pasta in the bowls. The pancetta and pepper mixture on the top. And just to finish, about 50 grams of cheddar cheese, which is actually plenty, more than enough. And because I'm home, I've got some parsley. If we were in the caravan, I wouldn't have that with me. And I love tomatoes, and these little beauties are from my garden. So I'm going to pop a few of those in as well for me. My husband's not so keen. There you have it. A very quick camping or caravanning meal for two and served up in about 15 minutes, start to finish. Couldn't be easier. Bye for now. See you again very soon.